sing with me. Letters and sounds A to Z. A is for avocado, green, green, green. A, tasty and clean. B is for box, open it wide. B, look inside. C is for candy, sweet, sweet treat. C, yummy to eat. D is for dragonfly so high. D, in the sky. E is for ooh, ba, ba, ba. E, just like that. F is for flag, wave, wave, wave. F, strong and brave. G is for goat, jump and play. G, all the day. H is for hamster, run around. Tiny sound. A, B, C, sing with me. Move and dance happily. Say the sound, repeat it too. Letters love me, letters love you. I is for island, sand and sea. I, come with me. J is for jacket, zip it tight. J, warm and bright. K is for king, crown so shiny. K, big and mighty. L is for leopard, fast and neat. L, quick feet. Say it slow, say it strong. Every letter sings along. M is for mango, sweet delight. M, juicy bite. N is for net, throw it high. N, catch and try. O is for onyx, black and bright. O, shining light. P is princess, dance and spin. P, let's begin. A, B, C, sing with me. Letters dancing happily. Clap, jump, shout hooray. Learning letters every day. Q is for quarry, rocks and stone. Q, big and strong. R is for rocket, zoom to space. R, fast race. S is for snow, cold and white. S, soft and light. T is for truck, roll, T, on the road. U is umbrella, rain, rain. U, stay dry again. V is violin, sing so sweet. V, gentle beats. W is wheel, round and